Hey, so if Zen Browser opens to a black screen, stays blank after launch, or stops displaying web pages correctly, yeah, that problem is usually connected to graphics settings, cache files, or browser conflicts. In this guide, I'll show you how to fix the Zen Browser black screen issue step by step. All right, first, close Zen Browser completely and reopen it to see if the black screen disappears. If the issue continues, restart your computer to clear temporary graphics or memory problems. Hardware acceleration is one of the most common causes of browser black screen issues. Outdated graphics drivers can prevent web pages from rendering correctly. Corrupted cache files may also cause loading or display problems, so clear your browsing data. Some extensions can conflict with web page rendering and create black screen issues. Make sure Zen Browser is fully updated because newer versions often include bug and compatibility fixes. Opening the browser in safe mode or using a new profile can help identify corrupted settings. If the black screen still appears, reinstall Zen Browser completely to reset all browser files. And yeah, that's it. One of these fixes will usually solve the Zen Browser black screen issue and get everything displaying normally again.